Everybody, welcome back to FSP Forex Stock Predictions. Hope you're all having a great day. Happy 4th of July to those who were celebrating yesterday. Today is Tuesday, the 5th of July. And today we are looking at a double top on the FTSE 100, which is the UK's top 100 companies. There was an interesting double top that got triggered while I was sleeping. So as we are recording, it looks like price is making its way to target and actually might get there before this video is finished. Nevertheless, it is always interesting to put these ideas out so I can show you why I entered this particular setup. So let's get into it, right? Let's see if we can catch this thing before the target gets hit. All right, so we have a double top, right? We saw one top, two tops, right? We then have our neckline. Let's put that in for you guys so you guys can just be aware of that neckline. Right. What we saw was an impulsive break of the neckline. You see, we had one top, second top. We then saw price drop dramatically past this neckline. It closed rather impulsively below it. What I was then waiting for was a retrace back up to the neckline. Now, those of you who follow me know that I like to enter double tops at the very most resistance point of the neckline, i.e. I don't enter when it just touches the bottom of the neckline or the middle of the neckline. I enter on the middle of these yellow bars with order blocks, but not for double tops. For double tops, I wait for the deepest retrace right at the top of the neckline. And we can see it did hit this. It even went beyond it. So once my position opened, I was in drawdown for a little bit before price began to reverse. Okay, my stop is a little bit above the middle part of this double top. You see this gigantic wick here that forms the double of the neckline, right? I am just above there because I can see that this is an interesting region of price. We can see price has spiked down and up with this one candle here. It's almost like a doji, right? So I know there is lots of orders within this zone here. So to be safe, I put my stop above it, right? And my target is simply previous price structure, right? Now, why did I put my target here and not here or not here? I mean, here would make a good idea, right? Because check, this was once support, flip to resistance, flip to support, 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 right? But for me, in this time frame, I do see price trending higher, right? And these wicks are showing me the bulls are back. So to be safe, I am going to exit this position if price reaches here. All right, to me, that's just a safer bet. Let's put this up a little bit. Right there, yes. Okay, and with the setup, I'm getting a 1 to 2.5 risk to reward setup, which is more than good enough for me. I'm not greedy. I'm not going to hold and hope for price to come all the way back down here. Yes, it could, and that would give me a risk to reward of 1 to 5. That would be awesome. But I have a particular way of trading these things, and I will always exit the market once price has hit my target. I am also not in front of my screen every second of every day. This is the 4-hour time frame. It is a swing trade, so my target is predetermined, which allows me to go off and do what I need to do with the rest of my day and let the price action of these charts play out as they're supposed to. All right, another bit of confluence which I liked was this high bearish bar of volume which happened during this impulsive breakdown, right? So there has not been bulls that have come just yet to reclaim the ground of this bearish volume. And one more thing which I always like to see, and let's zoom this up so you guys can see it, is divergence on the MACD. We have divergence on the histogram, right? We have this buyers weakening out from one top to a second top on the histogram, as well as the MA lines above. Yes? We also had the cross here, right? The blue line went below the yellow line during this impulse, which clearly showed a downtrend. So all my bits of confluence are in there. So now whether the trade hits stop loss or target, that's up to the trading gods, right? I have nothing left to do with this setup. I've entered, it is what it is, and at this point we just wait and see what happens. And so far we are in profit. This bar of volume right here so far is doing good. There's still an hour and 43 minutes left of this current 4-hour candle, and we are inside these wicks now. Whenever I see wick ranges like this, I do get a little bit anxious because there is clearly a lot of buying power in these regions right here, and we can see it from these volume bars right here, right? So whatever will remain with the setup will remain. We will see what happens. And on that note, guys, please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. If you want, you can support us as well on Patreon. For the price of a cup of coffee, you can get access to some exclusive content. We do live streaming, we do analysis, we're going to have breaking news. We do it the FSP way, the Forex-Stock-Predictions way. You can join our social media profiles. You can follow us there. Check out our website. The link is below in the description. Check us out. We have some fantastic profitable traders always posting their analysis on various charts and setups across all markets, including crypto, stock, indices, commodities, forex, whatever you trade. Check it out. It is a fantastic resource. It is an awesome tool for day traders, made by day traders, because we didn't make it ourselves, and we are indeed day traders. All right, guys. So on that note, let me wrap this video up. And thank you very much to everyone that has been watching and supporting this channel. Please leave a comment in the comment section. If there's anything you are unsure about, I will be sure to reply to you. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching. See you later.